扭尾啊，四重彩就好分好多。
又多寶啊！
係
你都揀到晒啦嗰啲，所以好分啊，扭尾啲。終於合夥奔馳都係冇啊！終於盡歡贏翻佢啦，
都係好忠心準誠，
好快喎前邊啊，頭兩段都46秒內，45秒幾，頭800，好誇張。
所以3場二金賽呢場應該會係比較正常啲嘅步速。
所以上次合夥奔馳咧，其實咁快都唔斷啊，咁可能嗰日都幾禮拜前啊。
陣間馬會杯睇下邊隻馬走啦。一對馬王其實都唔中意自己大㗎。
嘉盈全城以往就走開，但係咁耐都冇跑，試就又唔係好快。冇嘅，可能有啲馬中段變走啦。
捉完即係陣間睇下個巡邏影片咧，佢個段有少少外閃，係咪冇力呢？嗰度
係咯，可能真係冇力開始撇。
因為呢樣唔係常見嘅情況啊嘛。佢又跟咗個都好快嘅步速呢場，又唔係話特別輕磅啦今日。
不過都就係提過啦，佢未去到即係馬王級嗰個水準，你賣到1.3、1.4就偏熱嘅。
咦，咁啊嚟緊12月嗰場
日嚟好混亂
係啊
㗎，你日本啲馬都
再侵埋啲外國馬嚟，
虎視眈眈啊！頭先啲遠觀天象都好輕鬆啊！
咁啊睇下到時啊點啦。
麥道朗咪今日都起碼啊！
唔知啊嘛，啱啱就話嚟緊羅馬勇士啊，希望啊繼續贏。
彭之，我哋準備睇呢個頒獎啦。
各位來賓，中銀香港私人財富馬會一哩錦標頒獎儀式現在開始。
Ladies and gentlemen, the BOCHK Private Wealth Jockey Club Mile Trophy Presentation Ceremony will now commence.
各位馬迷大家好，中銀香港私人財富馬會一哩錦標嘅得主咧已經誕生啦，就係由標誌銀河系勝出嘅。Congratulations to Galaxy Patch for taking the BOCHK Private Wealth Jockey Club Mile 2025。喺先嘅時候咧，我哋有請香港賽馬會董事陳智思先生，就係將中銀香港私人財富馬會一哩錦標嘅獎杯同埋小型獎杯咧頒發俾勝出頭馬標誌銀河嘅馬主楊建文先生㗎。The Honourable Bernard Chamwood Chan, a steward of the club, is now presenting a trophy and also a miniature to Mr. Yang Kim-man, the owner of Galaxy Patch. And now Mrs. Yang is receiving the miniature. Congratulations! 我哋繼續有請陳先生咧，就係將小型嘅獎杯頒發俾勝出嘅練馬師伍鵬志。And now the Honourable Bernard Chan is presenting the miniature to the winning trainer Pierre Congratulations！ 繼續陳先生咧就會將小型嘅獎杯頒發俾勝出馬匹嘅騎師麥道朗。And now the Honourable Bernard Chan also present the miniature to winning jockey James McDonald. Thank you。好啦，跟住落嚟我哋有請中國銀行香港有限公司副總裁陳文先生，就係將紀念杯係致送俾馬主楊建文先生嘅代表由黃先生接受嘅。And now Mr. Stephen Chan, Deputy Chief Executive of Bank of China Hong Kong Limited, is now presenting a commemorative trophy to the winning owner's representative, Mr. Wong。唔該晒。跟住我哋有請中國銀行香港有限公司個人金融及財富管理部嘅總經理盧慧敏女士呢，就係將銀碟頒發俾勝出嘅練馬師伍鵬志嘅。And now Miss Mary Low, General Manager of Personal Banking and Wealth Management Department, Bank of China Hong Kong Limited, is presenting the silver dish to winning trainer Pierre Thank you, Miss Low。好啦，最後我哋有請呢，就係中銀信用卡國際有限公司嘅總經理何偉文先生，將銀碟係頒發俾我哋嘅勝出騎師麥道朗嘅。Last but not least,Mr. Dick Ho, General Manager of BOC Credit Card International Limited, has just presented the silver dish to winning jockey James McDonald. And now James McDonald is presenting the beautiful bouquet to Miss Mary Low. 當然咧，啱啱係將花束送俾盧慧敏女士啦，又係嚟到影大合照嘅時間咯。And time for the group photo, everyone. Can you look at all the media friends in the front? 望望正前方啦。And also slightly to your right hand side，望望我哋嘅右手邊嘅相機。 And to the left hand side， 又望下左手邊嘅相機啦。Thank you very much。中銀香港私人財富馬會一哩錦標嘅頒獎儀式咧，亦都已經圓滿結束㗎啦。大家一陣記得要留意咧，就係第8場嚇中銀香港馬會杯。This is the end of the trophy presentation and see you all later at Race 8, the BOCHK Jockey Club Cup。祝大家好運！